Cut sourcing in half. Discover how to use JungleScout Supplier Database today. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse image search of all of your competitors and find their manufacturer on Alibaba. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so this is saying it is the most reliable way to find a supplier, and it's with the JungleScout Supplier Database tool, which we are going to test out. It looks super nice, awesome. You can match products to factories, you can search by ASIN, you can manage and compare supplier quotes. A lot of different stuff on this that they're claiming, but what you can do is log into JungleScout and you go to database, and let's look at a product, right? You can type in a product name, but I want to do an ASIN. I want to find the product ASIN. So one of our clients reached out to us and they're like, we want to sell a nasal irrigation system. I couldn't find any manufacturers on Alibaba. So we have this awesome JungleScout tool, and this is called Navage. It like clears up your nasal area, and they're making pretty much $2 million a month, which is a lot of money. So if we can find their manufacturer, that would be awesome. So we copy the ASIN. We're going to put the ASIN right into here. Click search. And then right off the bat, it has some type of data or AI where JungleScout is able to find the manufacturer. Now, it's not always able to find the manufacturer, but it does it a lot. This one, what is this, China? Okay, Kinseng Maku Commercial Company. And then you can see it has them. They have different shipments in the past. So it looks like they're able to track shipments from different manufacturers, and they utilize that to find the manufacturer info, like customs documents. That's what I'm thinking. This is how it works, right? And then you can actually save the supplier. You can view the shipments, search for contact info. So we're searching for contact info. We can try to contact them, view shipments. Oh, yep, they're definitely tracking customs data. Look at this. It's showing you the quantity and the weight. That's a lot of weight. The HS code. This was recent, right before the holiday season. Yeah, big shipment. This is one of their biggest shipments they placed. They had a big one too in October, of course. Huge shipments. They're just making bank. All right, so you can kind of see how much they're buying. And then they have other items. Let's see, this is the same manufacturer. This one's different. This is a different countertop caddy. So this is why they buy like plastics from a travel case. Very interesting to see, and it's very, very good data that you can find. Let's do another one. So let's say we're trying to get rid of cold sores, right? So cold sore treatment, laser, and we wanted to find the manufacturer. And let's see, this one has really good reviews, $99, $19,000 a month. So I'm gonna copy this ASIN, go here, ASIN, search. And then again, it shows it pretty quickly. So that's pretty nice. And then you can also go, instead of the ASIN, you can try to reverse search a company or a supplier or a product. But I'm thinking the ASIN is gonna be the easiest way to do it. And then a product category, supplier name. They've got a lot of different things here. And it's extremely cool. I do think this is an awesome tool that's going to speed up your product analysis. Now, it doesn't work all of the time on all of the ASIN. So let's say we tried to do this one. This is another one, and doesn't work on all the ASIN. So it can't find all of the ASIN, but it does do a really good job. It looks like it's finding at least 75%, which is really high. And it looks like JungleScout has been working on this tool and has been improving month by month. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse ASIN search. So let's say you couldn't find this tool, or you wanted to sell it, and you maybe found the manufacturer, but it wasn't doing well. What you could do is go to Alibaba, right? And you can find, let's say you wanted to sell this item. We're going to right click, and it's going to say copy image address right on Amazon. So you're going to copy that image address. You're going to go to Alibaba. You're going to click this little photo button on the, it works on desktop. I don't know if it works on mobile, but anyway, you're going to paste that in, click search, and it's going to pretty much do a reverse analysis search. And then there it is right here, 38 bucks. There it is. Comes with a nice little case. Yep, and they're selling it for 38 bucks, and then they're reselling on Amazon for about 100. You can probably negotiate with the manufacturer and get a better price. and kind of go from there. So that's how you do the reverse image analysis. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, product research, launching on Amazon, increasing your sales, fixing a listing, anything Amazon, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in. The link's right in the description so you can schedule a call or reach out to us on your own time. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.